In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from a PDF into Power BI. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a great skill to have, especially if you're looking to analyze data that's been locked away in PDF formats. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Power BI Desktop installed on your computer. Once you've got that up and running, open it up and head over to the Home tab at the top of the window. You'll see a variety of options available to you, but what we want to focus on is Get Data. Look for it on the left side and click the drop-down arrow next to it. This will give you a list of data connection options. Now, while the list is handy, you might want to access even more options. So go ahead and click on the More option at the bottom of that list. This opens up a new window filled with a wide array of connectors. Here, you can connect Power BI to a multitude of different data sources. Now, we're specifically interested in PDF files. In this new window, you'll find a search field at the top. Type in PDF and hit Enter. From the search results, you'll see PDF pop up as an option. Go ahead and select it, then click the Connect button to proceed. Next, it's time to select the PDF file you want to analyze. A File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer. Navigate to where your desired PDF is stored. Once you locate it, click on it to confirm your choice. After selecting the file, give Power BI a moment to work its magic. It will start processing the information in the PDF. Depending on the size and complexity of the file, this might take a little while. So be patient. Don't rush it. Just sit back and watch how Power BI reads the structure of your PDF. Once the processing is complete, you should see a list of tables or pages that Power BI has extracted from your PDF. This is where the fun begins. You can select which tables or pages are the most relevant for your analysis. Simply click on the checkbox next to the tables you wish to work with. If you're unsure, you can always preview the data before making a selection. After you've made your selections, simply click the Load button. Power BI will import the data into your workspace, where you'll be able to create visuals and analyze the information effectively. And just like that, you've successfully imported data from a PDF into Power BI. You can now start transforming your data, creating reports, and gaining insights that were previously trapped inside a PDF document. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to try this out with different PDF files to get the hang of it. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. Power BI is a powerful tool, and there's